Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Beetle headlight. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Before you begin, it's a good practice to disconnect your car's battery, specifically the negative terminal, to prevent any electrical issues. This simple step ensures your safety and protects your vehicle's electrical system during the process. Now, let's get started. Open your car's hood and look at the back of the headlight assembly from inside the engine bay. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the headlight bulb. Gently press the release tab on this connector and pull it straight off. Next, locate the two 10mm bolts that hold the headlight housing in place. Use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these two bolts completely. With the bolts removed and the main electrical connector detached, you can now gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It should slide out of its mounting points. Be mindful of any other smaller wires or vacuum lines that might still be connected. Carefully disconnect these if they are present. Once everything is free, carefully lift the headlight assembly out of its position and set it aside in a secure spot where it won't be scratched or damaged. Reinstalling your VW Beetle headlight is essentially the reverse of the removal process. Carefully slide the headlight back into its opening, ensuring all mounting points align. Reconnect any smaller wires or vacuum lines, then reattach the main electrical connector. Secure the two 10mm bolts, making sure the headlight is firmly in place and properly aimed. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.